No matter if you're a plant eater, you've never been a plant eater, or you're a future plant eater, these dishes are gonna rock your world. The flavor and the taste is sensational. It's like a joyful combo of delicious recipes that come together with simple ingredients. It's so satisfying and delicious. You're not going to believe the taste of how amazing it is. You can get incredible flavor from simple vegetables and spices and grains and nuts and seeds. It's sophisticated, but it's also rustic and down to earth and super humble. It's like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. And we recognize food as a humbling experience where you salivate and satiate. When it comes to the table, you're just like, I can't wait to eat that. Each recipe, I'm using ingredients that's going to just create incredible flavors that's going to make you want more. It's so delicious, gusty and crunchy and full of incredible nutrients.